Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to check the F5 Freestyle 5-inch and Archery Micro 3-inch frames by AMAXinno. In case you're not familiar with Amax or AMAXinno, this company, which is based in Frankfurt, Germany, is known for manufacturing high-quality carbon fiber frames and racing motors. This is actually the first time I'm dealing with Amax, so today in this video I'm going to assemble these two frames and go over their features and specs, and on upcoming videos I'm going to review their 2207 Performance 1950 kV motor and feature at least one of these frames in a build and flight video. Let's start with the F5 Freestyle 5-inch frame. In terms of packaging, as you can see, everything comes well organized and nicely packed. So inside the bag you can find two high-quality battery Velcro straps, an AMAXinno sticker, the bottom, middle, top and side FPV camera carbon fiber plates, 4 replaceable 5-inch carbon fiber arms, a high-quality XT60 battery connector which you'll be able to mount on the bottom of the frame, and all the required screws, nuts, spacers and standoffs for assembling the frame, a bag with 2 pairs of landing pads, 4 sleeves for protecting the motor wires, heat rings which is a nice add-on, and 2 anti-skid battery stickers. As for the Archery Micro 3-inch frame, again as you can see everything is nicely packed, and inside the bag you can find an Amax sticker, all the required carbon fiber parts for assembling the frame, a high-quality Amax branded battery Velcro strap, 2 rubber bands which I believe you can use in order to secure the battery, all the required standoff screws and nuts for assembling the frame, an anti-skid battery sticker, heat rings, and 4 braided sleeves for protecting the motor wires. Now I'm going to quickly assemble these two frames, and I will see you in a bit in order to check the results. As you can see, both frames are now ready, and I can tell you that it was pretty hard to assemble both frames, especially the Archery Micro, since the holes in the carbon fiber plates are pretty small and I had to force in the hex screws. In terms of specs, the wheelbase of the F5 frame is 225mm and it weighs 117.8 grams. It features a YDX pattern. The thickness of each replaceable carbon fiber arm is 6mm and its width is 11.7mm. The thickness of the bottom, middle and top plates is 2.5mm. The distance between the middle plate and the top one is 20mm. The FPV camera side mounting plates can be mounted in 2 positions and in 2 ways, inside out or outside in, so this frame is compatible with FPV cameras with a width of 14, 19 and 20mm. On the center of the frame, you can find 20x20 and 30.5 by 30.5mm mounting holes for the stack. On the back of the frame, you can find 16x16 and 20x20mm mounting holes for the VTX. And over here, you can find 2 mounting holes for the provided XT60M battery connector. In addition, you should note that besides 5-inch, the F5 frame is compatible with 6 and 7-inch arms, which are available by AMAXinno. The weight of the 5-inch arm is 15.3 grams. And the 7-inch arm is 7.3 grams heavier, so the 7-inch build should be about 30 grams heavier than the 5-inch build. So overall, even though it was a little bit hard to build, I think that the F5 looks like a very robust frame that can withstand some crashes, and I'm looking forward to testing it out, which is probably going to happen soon, after I'm going to bench test the 2207 1950 kV performance motors. As for the Archery Micro, this is a very light frame that weighs only 15.7 grams and I really hope to feature in a build and flight video. Its wheelbase is 120mm and it features a true X pattern. The thickness of each replaceable carbon fiber arm is 2mm and its width is 6.2mm. The thickness of the bottom plate is 2mm. The thickness of the side plates is 1mm. The frame supports nano-sized FPV cameras. The maximum height of the stack which you can use with this frame is 16.5mm. You can mount a VTX antenna on the back of the frame, and on the bottom plate you can find 16x16, 20x20, and whoop style 25.5 by 25.5mm mounting holes. So overall, even though I'm not sure how durable the archery micro frame is going to be, and I know for certain that replacing an arm is going to be a hassle, I think that this is a very interesting frame, and I think that it can be a great candidate for a lightweight to fixed range build. Anyway, that's going to be it for my quick review of the Archery Micro and F5 frames by AMAXinno, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.